People, welcome back to Global Happenings today. As Nigerians are preparing for 2023 presidency and also as Southeast are looking out for the ideal candidate that will represent its interests in the 2023 presidency, a group has come out to denounce the personality of one individual who has been nationally accepted as an Igbo person. You'll be so shocked who this person is, and they're saying that he may be Igbo, but they don't recognize him because he's not from this particular region. We're going to be looking at that, and also the level of support that Anyim is getting right now. A huge number of coalition groups have decided to well support for him. We'll be looking at why they are supporting him and how many they are in number. But before we do all of that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our video. The Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amaechi, cannot run for the 2023 presidency if zoned to the southeast, despite being an Igbo in blood and spirit. The Southeast Patriot stated this during a political program on AIT monitored by Whistler in Akwa. The leader of the Patriot, Mr. Obonike Ohaebu, said Amaechi is from South-South and not Southeast. According to him, Amaechi is my in-law. He has also acknowledged that he is Igbo, but he is from South-South. Therefore, he is not qualified. We are advocating a president of Southeast extraction, no matter the nationality. Remember that we have many non-Igbos in the Southeast. It mustn't be Igbo, but any credible person from Southeast. We have Igbos in Benue, Kogi, Delta, Rivers, Cross River, among others. They are not from Southeast. Wunike urged various political parties to microzone their presidential slot to Southeast for equity. He further said that the Southeast Patriot is not asking for the slot of a vice president. Meanwhile, in another related development, the agitation for Southeast presidency got heightened on Tuesday with a coalition of 85 support groups supporting the ambition of the Southeast to succeed the President Muhammadu Buhari government. They, however, pitched tent with a former secretary of the government of the Federation, Senator Anyim. The organization, under the aegis of United for Better Nigeria initiative, said that the next president of Nigeria should come from the southeastern part of the country, saying Anyim remains the most qualified and ready for the job. Director General of UBNI, Nkolika Mgbaro Okeke, during its inauguration in collaboration with Northern and Southern Coalition groups in Abuja, said Anyim understood the dynamics of building Nigeria, having served as the secretary to the government of the Federation and Senate President, among other responsibilities. She advised that the country should support the group in electing a president of Southeast extraction for inclusiveness and fairness. Mgbaro Okeke said inclusiveness was what would bring Nigeria together and make the country grow. She said the president of Nigeria should come from Southeast and must be credible and well acceptable personality, according to her. At the latest count, about 85 such groups had agreed to form an irrevocable alliance with UBNI, with a multidimensional force across Nigeria, with about 2 million members operating in about 85 chapters across the world. She said, we worked judiciously to select the best candidates. We have many candidates from Southeast Nigeria. We have good candidates across the nation. What we are asking the country to do is to support us in electing president of Southeast extraction for inclusiveness and fairness. It is morally right. We are not claiming that it must be given, but we say it is about time we get people in the Southeast inclusive in the affairs of the nation. The Southeast has served the country in different capacity and they have delivered effectively. All those looking for presidency are qualified, but UBNI is looking for the most qualified who would cut across the nation, who would understand what you and I are feeling, who understood that we need everyone to advance any country. We are here to endorse him. We have 84 other groups to ensure this aim is achieved. We are calling all Nigerians to join us in making it come true for the benefit of the country. Please, all should endeavor to get their voters card. 2023 would be like no other. It would need tenacity and audacity to work it out. He, Anyim Pius Anyim, will fix the country's problem. Nigerians are doing well in other parts of the world. Why are we not doing well in this country? We need good leadership to appreciate the strength of Nigeria. We are strong and diversified. We have our strength in our diversity. We need to come together. He is experienced for the job, having been Senate President and Secretary of the Government of the Federation, among other responsibility. He is prepared with the experience of to hit the ground running. He has the temperament. He needs someone, or we need someone that would unite the country. This is the beginning of a new Nigeria. Speaking on behalf of the coalition of Northern supporters, Alhaji Shehu Suleiman said it would be just unfair that the next president comes from the southeast part of the country. We also stand with the southeast because we have seen democratically elected president from the north and west, but we are yet to have one from the southeast, which are the three main ethnic groups in Nigeria. Justifiably and non-negotiably, we need to see leadership from the southeast as well. Peace, justice, and progress can never be attained. Also speaking for support group from the South, Dr. Kayode Odeyemi said Anyim Pius Anyim should be president because he is the man that is prepared and ready and most qualified for the job. Wow, quite interesting. Now, one of the most interesting of this news is the case of Amaechi. Don't forget that Amaechi fairly recently was given total acceptance by Ohanes and Igbo when he was given a very renowned chieftaincy title in Douara. The meaning of that chieftaincy title was trusted son of Douara. And immediately they gave him that. The level of acceptance he enjoyed was much. To an extent that Ohanes and Igbo had to write him to tell him, we have seen your achievement thus far, and we are standing by your side, knowing that your Igboness is being proved in all facets of your life. They started counting his achievement thus far, in this current administration and the previous administration, and they said that they want to co-opt him, or that he is already part of Igbo, because Igbo is actually a religion. But shockingly, some other groups are coming in to say, hey, no matter what, whether he is an Igbo man or not, we are talking about presidency from the southeast, and that they won't give him any chance, to lead as president in Nigeria, because it's not from southeast, he is from south. Now, this had thrown everyone into confusion because from all indication, we are not looking at the Igbos again, because if you want to talk about the Igbos, they are littered all over Nigeria in different non-southeastern states. But right now, they're targeting southeast. What do you think will be the situation in the nearest future? Do you think Amaechi may not enjoy the support of southeast any longer? Let's interact in our comment.